The first thing that we want to make clear is that spectrum is very important to the economy. Our latest economic forecast from GSMA Intelligence, if we ensure that spectrum constraints are taken away, 5G can bring 961 billion to the global GDP in 2030. Let's get that in context. That's just under 0.7% of global GDP, and that is a huge amount for one technology only to collaborate to the global growth. This economic growth will be driven by three crucial natural resources: low, mid, and high band. These three ranges form central pillars of our economic development as the world seeks to recover from this uncertainty of past years. Low band will always be in demand. Whatever your market status, looking beyond 700 megahertz and 600 megahertz is crucial. Low band helps us meet social goals, achieve digital parity between urban and rural, and helping networks reach deeper in buildings, cover, for example, agriculture, IoT, and develop transport communications. Maximizing, for example, the 3.5 gigahertz range is crucial, but in most cases, if you're going to get to the 2 gigahertz that is needed, spectrum in the 6 gigahertz range will be needed as well. 6 gigahertz is seen by the mobile industry as the future expansion of 5G, providing the capacity required to drive citywide connectivity. 5G can impact global GDP in 2030 by 961 billion. But it needs a spectrum. And if spectrum allocations are maintained in the levels that they are today in mid-band, what happens is that up to 40% of this potential growth is lost. Mid-band will impact each region as a percentage of GDP. And it's interesting to see that it isn't picking winners or losers. Across the board, whether a country is highly industrialized, it's a developing country, we see the growth opportunity from mid-band 5G. To me, this is crucial. That's what we need to think about today, how to create affordable connectivity so that we lower the usage gap, bring 5G to all users, and ensure that we conquer the digital divide.